Hi friends, it's Cicho from Cicho's Home Economics and you're welcome back to my channel. I'm going to try and reorganize my bathroom. This is how it looks like now, but I want to do a little bit of changing and rearrangements and all that. So I'm taking you on the journey with me. I hope you enjoy it. I started by taking everything off the shelf in the bathroom. I emptied the baskets and I cleaned out the baskets, which I didn't show in this video. I also cleaned the shelves and tried to reorganize everything I had already on the shelf. So in about 30 minutes to 45 minutes, this was the system I came up with. But I wasn't too satisfied with it. I tried to put the towels in one of my baskets just so it looks a bit organized and pleasing to the eye. I also placed a few baskets on top of it, put a few things here and there. That is how organization is, especially when you're trying to organize and make the items also look very pleasing to the eye. So you keep moving things about, rearranging them just so that they look good for you. I got these plastic shelves which suction to the walls from Melcom. I have a separate video of a tour I did after organizing this bathroom, and so you see that in my bathroom tour video, but you also see it at the end of this video how I utilized it as well. So because I wasn't satisfied with the earlier arrangements, I took the towels out of the baskets again and tried to rearrange everything all over again, just to make sure that it's coming together just the way I want it. I'm always and constantly reorganizing and changing things around me, and so I'm used to some of the arrangements, and so since I wasn't getting the change that I was looking for, I kept putting things, placing them, here and there, just to have something different and nice as well. Initially, I placed all my soaps in this open basket, but then I have organized my soaps this way before. Actually, this was how it was organized before, and so I wanted something different again, and so I placed them in this rectangular basket, which I recently got from Melcom for about 30 cedis or so. I've forgotten, it's been a while, so I've forgotten the actual price, but it came in a set of 3, as you're seeing in the video right now. So once I was done with the first side of my bathroom, I moved to the laundry area. The laundry system is in my bathroom, and so I decided to do the organization all together. Again, here I cleaned the top of my washer and dryer and placed an ash towel on top of it. Because the washer and dryer were black in color, I wanted a color that would also, blend with the decor I had going on in the bathroom. I had a pinkish, a grayish, black, and red with a bit of green in my bathroom, just to make the bathroom very colorful and very beautiful and nice. When you walk in there, you feel really, really, really good. So that was the goal. So I have these 3 baskets, which you might have seen in my laundry routine video, where I put all my laundry in. I got these cloth baskets also from Banana, and these white plastic containers from Melcom to organize my detergents, soaps, fabric softener, etc. for the laundry area, just so everything has a home. Everything is organized and very easy to get to when you need to get done. So I'm done, and I'll take you on a quick tour of this bathroom in a separate video. I'll link that in this video so that you can just watch it right after watching this one. I hope you enjoyed my bathroom organization. I just use bins and baskets in organizing a lot of things in my home, and then I add a little bit of decorative items to it just so it looks very nice. So I hope you enjoyed it. Press the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Like this video if you found it interesting and really nice. Also click on the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.